DJ with me, great bait, Hartsville, Arkansas. I got me one of these here Loadall ramps. Gonna load my bike for the first time. See how easy this works. Make sure the hinges are all together. Just like that. That's simple. Double check everything for safety. Everything looks to go to me. Pins are in up here. That's my first time loading. Using my new Loadall ramp. That's almost as good as titties and beer. I must have a rock. Here we go. Must have a little rocker. I was hauling blocks in here the other day. Snug as a bug in a rug they are. Got a little lock. There we go. And that's it from TJ in Clarksville, Arkansas. Thank you, Loadall Ramps. You made it a lot easier on me.